This quick video, I want to show you how to drop off any prepaid package or a stamped envelope into any USPS mail drop-off slot, a blue drop-off slot that looks like this, a box where they can come and collect. And I'm also going to show you how to go inside and drop it off in the boxes in there, and the blue drop-off box in there. This is so you don't have to go through the checkout line. You've already printed out your label or you already have your stamp. So I want to take my package or my envelope and I want to basically just drive through here. Usually they have a little drive-through lane here. And as you can see here, this is about 2 inches by 4 inches. As long as your package or your envelope can fit through that, then you should be fine. If it can't, then you're going to have to go inside. I'm going to go ahead and drop off my package in here now, and it's going to show the collection times. Here it shows our local collection times. Now they may vary about depending on your zip code. So as you can see there, Monday through Friday, they'll come with a big bin, and then they'll come and take all the packages Monday through Friday, and Saturday they come at 3:15 p.m. Now, I've had it where I've dropped off packages and they were not able to get to it and my package was late. So in order to make sure your package, if you're wanting to ship it out same day, I'd highly recommend you take it inside. Now I have a stamped envelope here that I could put in here, but I'm not going to because it's got a personal check in there, and it's very rare, but there are phishing things that criminals will do. Well, they'll have something sticky and they'll actually be able to grab packages, especially if they're full or up, and they'll have ways to actually steal items. Most packages I don't care, even if it's a little bit higher value, but I don't want my personal check to go in here in case someone is trying to fish. And so I will always take my envelope inside and put it in there where it's safe. All right, so let's go ahead and go inside. All right, let's go ahead and go inside. You're gonna find that most USPSs are open till 5 p.m. and they're closed on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and they're closed on all national holidays. All right, so we can drop off our letter and our package in here. Of course, when I mean it's prepaid, it means that you've already printed it out through eBay, Amazon, or whatever carrier that you're using, and that it is USPS and not UPS or FedEx. And as you can see there, it's got that barcode there on the bottom. And what they'll do is they'll scan it tonight. When they get the packages in, they'll scan them, and then you should get a tracking by the end of the night because they scanned it in the USPS. If you did drop it off to this blue box here, they'll collect it, like I said, at 5 o'clock this evening. And what they'll do is they'll carry it in here into the back, and then eventually they'll get it scanned. Sometimes they scan it at this location, but I've actually had them ship it off to a local city nearby, a bigger city. And sometimes it won't get scanned, or it won't get scanned until like 12 o'clock that night. So just be aware of that. I have had packages that will actually go to a different state and they never scan it. They just put it on the truck. They don't scan it if you do drop it off like this. So you have 2 different slots for your letters. So for example, this is a bill. So to be honest with you, you can put it in any selection and it's going to be fine. So we can either open it up here, we can put it in there, or we can just slide it in like this. So let's go ahead and do that now. As you can see there, I've already got a stamp on there. So most letters only require 1 forever stamp. So that's good. Make sure that you do not put any packages in these 2 slots, because I've seen it a lot of times where it'll be a week before they get to it, or they'll put it to a side, and then my package will be late. All right, so what you're going to do is put the package in here. For whatever reason, if this bin is completely open and you're not able to get it down, that means it's full behind the wall here, and then you'll just have to wait or actually go to the checkout line and they'll be able to take it, or come during business hours. It is possible if this is open or closed like this, that if you push real hard, sometimes that will knock the packages further into the room, and then you'll be able to put your stuff in there. So let's go ahead and put our packages in there. All right, and of course your package, you can load it up if you have multiple packages, like 20, you can put them all in there at one time. But just be cautious that when you close it, it might not reopen again. So if you have a lot, try to put it all in this. This is approximately, what, 4 feet by 2 feet or something like that. And as long as your package, if you got a big package, as long as it's not bigger than that, then you should be fine. All right, and the only thing you have to do is just push, and you'll hear it drop, and you should be good to go. If for whatever reason it doesn't fit, like I said, you can go to the checkout line here, or sometimes with this particular USPS, you can just drop it here. This is not a high crime area, and then they'll usually come get it. Or you can ring that doorbell and they'll come, and a lot of times you can just drop off the package like that if they come to the door. And that's how you are able to drop off a prepaid package or stamped envelope into any USPS drop-off location, drop-off box. Let me know if this helped you out, and make sure you subscribe.